Jones has not appeared. Mr. Berry?
Judith DeBerry on behalf of the Commission for Lawyer Discipline. This is a motion for entry of judgment pursuant to Part 8 of the Texas Rules of Disciplinary Procedure. On August the 22nd, 2011, a judgment in a criminal case was entered in cause number EP 09CR1567FM1, style the United States of America versus Luther Jones, T.N. Luther Edward Jones, defendant, in the United States District Court for the Western District of Texas, El Paso Division, wherein the respondent was found guilty of count 1, conspiracy to commit wire fraud and deprivation of honest services, and count 2, conspiracy to commit mail fraud and deprivation of honest services. Respondent was committed to custody of the United States Bureau of Prisons for a total term of 72 months on each of counts 1 and 2 to be served concurrently. He was ordered upon release to be on supervised release for 3 years on each of counts 1 and 2, again to be served concurrently. Respondent was ordered to pay an assessment of $200 and a fine of $50,000. Respondent appealed this conviction under cause number 11-50774 in the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit, and he has dismissed his appeal. The Commission is seeking a judgment of disbarment. The interlocutory order of suspension was signed by the board on January 26, 2012, and the order was issued by the United States Courts of Appeal for the Fifth Circuit on September the 25th, 2012, dismissing the respondent's appeal. Motion for entry of judgment of disbarment was filed with the Board of Disciplinary Appeals on December the 13th of 2012, and the motion for entry of judgment and notice of hearing was served on the respondent by Marvin Alice House on December the 28th of 2012. Proof of service has been on file with the board since January the 10th, 2013. May I approach? This time I would offer petitioner's exhibits A, which is a copy of the order issued on September the 25th, 2012 by the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit in cause number 11-50774, and exhibit B is the original certificate from Blake Hawthorne, clerk of the Supreme Court, dated January the 10th, 2013, showing that Mr. Jones is licensed but not currently authorized to practice law in the state of Texas.
Anybody on the board have any questions? All right, thank you, Mr. Berry. We will take that under advisement in the 2 minutes.